how to delete Kik account. So if you want to delete your Kik account, then first you can open up your browser. So you can do that on your applications. Open up your browser. I'm here with Chrome browser, and you can simply go for the search bar and you need to search for ws.kik.com and /delete. And once you search for that, here it will take you to the delete your account page. So now to delete your account, you can simply enter your username and your email address. But if you don't remember your username and your email address, then you can open up your application and go to your profile, which is on the upper right, and here you can go for your account, and here you will have your username and your email address. So if you don't remember that, then go to your account and you can enter that here. And once you enter your username and your email address, here you need to choose an account. And once you enter your username and your email address, here you need to choose a reason. So simply choose a reason, and then you can add some additional information as you want, and you need to simply tap on this box so that you agree to the conditions, and then you can tap on go. So now it says that we'll send you a link to your email to permanently deactivate your Kik account. So you'll get a link to the email address that you have used to create your account. So you need to simply open up that mail and then click on the mail or click on that link so that you can deactivate your account. And once you deactivate your account, after deactivating, if you don't log in back to your account, then your account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you delete your Kik account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.